Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Integrious knot. That's Latin and it's a form of integrity and honor. So let's go ahead and get started. Just using one tie with this one. We're going to kind of braid it. We're going to do some braiding techniques. But this is my left side. It's at the belt line or a little between the belt line and the belly button. Depends on your height. But bring it over. Just put a fold in. Come across like this. I'm going to come up and over like this. Now I'm going to fold it in half like so. Like we've seen Boris Smoke and Live with Darkest do. And I'm going to come back around like this. I'm going to come across like that. I'm going to keep it folded in half. Come over. I'm going to leave it folded in half. There we go. And I'm going to come under this, creating a braid. Only part that has to be somewhat folded in half is this bottom part right here. Come down, still folded in half. Come up like this. If it folds kind of like that, how it folds is how it folds. Come down like this, still folded in half. On the way. I'm going to come around and then I'm going to do it down like this. And come back around like so. So you got a form of braiding going on right here. I'm going to put my collar down. So you have a form of braiding happening. That's kind of all like this way. But you have this part. The key moment of definition is when you have, and I kind of like that. When you have this part kind of going out like this and this top, and then you have a couple going this way. And this actually looks like there's more because it's actually not completely folded in half. If you can pull that off, it'll add an extra layer to it. But there you go. There's the Integrious. I don't have collar stays in this shirt because I just didn't have any. So I'm using paper clips. They work just as well. So on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.